Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to load Analysis Toolpak in Excel. Firstly, what exactly is Analysis Toolpak? Analysis Toolpak allows us to perform very complex statistical and mathematical analysis in Excel. Now, to activate the Analysis Toolpak, what you need to do is, firstly, go to the File menu. Once you click on the File menu, you see a lot of options here. Let me click on the last option, More. There are two different options here. One is what is called as feedback. Second one is options. Let me choose the second option, options. Once I click on options, this leads to a new window, which is called as Excel options. Here, what do I need to choose? What you need to choose is add-ins. You can see this particular feature, add-ins. Once you click on add-ins, you can go to the manage box. Within manage box, when you click on the drop-down menu, you see 5 different options. You don't need to select all of these. What you need to do is just click on the option Go. There are 4 different options here. Right at the top, you can see Analysis Toolpak. Make sure that you have selected this particular option and then choose OK. Once you choose OK, you can see here in the data menu, the last of the options, namely data analysis, gets highlighted. So this is the benefit of having Analysis Toolpak. It allows us to carry out very complex data analysis using Excel. What are some of the features that are available in Data Analysis Toolpak? Let me click on this particular option. You can see here a new window pops up. Here you can see there are 19 different options that we can perform using Data Analysis Toolpak. There are 3 different options for ANOVA that you can look at. You can also perform correlation or covariance. Then you can carry out descriptive statistics. If you're interested in time series analysis, you can carry out exponential smoothing. If you're interested in comparing variances, you can carry out the F-test. Then you have Fourier analysis, histogram, moving average, random number generation, rank and percentile. If you want to do any machine learning model like regression, you can choose this particular option, regression. Sampling, you have 3 different options for t-test. That is t-test paired 2 samples for means. This is the first of the option. T-test 2 samples assuming equal variances. And the last of the option is t-test assuming unequal variances. Finally, you can also carry out the z-test. This is how analysis becomes very easy once you activate the Analysis Toolpak. With this, I've come to the end of today's video. In case you have liked this particular video, I request you to like and share my videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.